I'm thirsty. I have to go get something to drink. What? Oh, it's Jenna. It's Jenna. Oh, it's Ramsey. Oh, this looks like fun. I don't want it. Here, I don't want it. Okay. Oh, there's Mommy. Go say hi.
Ramsey, stop it.
What's up?
Nada.
Oh, that looks like fun. Just kidding. That looks really hard. Is the soda out in the garage?
I don't know.
Simon's extremely thirsty. My throat's killing me.
Look in the kitchen.
Let's say.
I don't see why I'm laughed at.
Because you're just so funny. But we love ya. Yeah. Oh, there's soda from this weekend. Or, not this weekend, but this weekend. I'm always at this house.
What is that?
Oh. You can finally see me. That's so funny. I'm gonna drink me some Pepsi. Yeah. I'm extremely hyper. Go upstairs.
Are you video recording my nasty house?
No. It's not nasty. Your house is a bomb. Here.
We cleaned it.
Here, let me take mine.
Look.
Dude, did you
I don't
see
want to
under
know.
here? Did you see under here?
Now I have to go get a new cop. Grr. Look at it. There's snow out there. You can barely see it at all. There's snow out there. Oh. It's magical. It's a magical fairyland, Mommy. Ramsey, move! I'm so loud. Solo, run solo, run solo. Where did they take pictures without me? Yeah, really sucky video, but I made one. Probably make another one. Crazy night. Have fun. Goodbye.